On today's Vibe Check, we take you to India Couture Week's biggest fashion moments, fresh off the ramp of some of the country's most famous designers and showstoppers.
Let's go!
India Couture Week is one of India's premier fashion events. This celebration of haute couture boasts some of Bollywood's biggest names who walked the ramp as showstoppers. So what was different this year? We bring you the 10 best moments from the week. Barbie Kaur reached the runway with Kiara Advani in Falguni Shane Peacock's stellar pink outfit. Ritu Kumar's big comeback to couture deserved no less than a regal showstopper, and that's what she got with Aditi Rao Hydari in a stunning white lehenga. Bhumi Pednekar glistened in gold for Varun Behel's enchanted forest with many floral moments. Like the stroke of lightning in the backdrop, Janhvi Kapoor struck us in an electrifying blue Gaurav Gupta lehenga on the ramp. Ishan Khattar's cool ramp vibe met Sobhita Dhulipala's fierce supermodel aura and doubled the glam quotient for Rohit Gandhi and Rahul Khanna. Ranbir Kapoor in a unique skirt-style trouser with a bandhgala at the Kunal Rawal show was met with roaring applause. Fluid like water and shining like molten gold, that was the memo for designer Rimzan Dadu and her showstopper Ananya Pandey. We were not surprised to see Atya Shetty walk the ramp for Anamika Khanna, who she wore for her wedding too. Disha Patni dolled up for Dolly J in a sequin silver lehenga with the obvious trend of the season, the mermaid skirt with a slit. Inspired by European architecture but still very Indian at heart, Aditi Roy Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan looked dreamy in pastel ethnic outfits by Shantanu and Nikhil. That was India Couture Week 2023, combining sartorial brilliance with celebrity mega wattage.